Hello everyone, we're going to be making a saltwater pearl necklace. It's going to be a very delicate necklace. It's a very fine chain. All the things I'm going to show you will be in the description box with the links so you can purchase it. We're going to use 20 gauge wire. It's in silver, it's non-tarnish, and it's Wire Elements beadsmith. I really do like this wire, but you can use the wire of your choice. You'll need some chain nose pliers, some round nose pliers, and you'll need some flush cutters. So this is going to be a very simple to make necklace. See, you'll need, these are, I believe, these are 8 to 9 millimeter freshwater pearls. And then these are the smaller ones, which are 6 millimeter. I believe I'm going to be using the larger ones. So I'm just going to choose 3 that I think that look really pretty. Now they don't always match, but I'm trying to pick some that are very close to the same size. This one might be a little smaller. This one might be a good one. So I'm only picking 3. That's all I'll need. And then, okay, make sure your chain is out and ready. This one came with lobster claw and jump rings, or you can get a package where you get it, a little roll of it. This is the chain, and actually you get gold and silver, and then you get a variety of different size jump rings and the lobster claw closures. And like I said, I leave those links in the description box. Also, if you'd like, you should have also a ruler. We're going to have to measure this. And so first I'm going to measure 4 inches. Just lay it out. And just grab it where it's 4 inches and clip it. I'm thinking with the 4 inches I'm going to have one that dangles down just a little bit. And we'll need a head pin for that. So I have a variety of head pins that we could use. Just various sizes. These are just the regular head pins. They have just a flat end on them. If I could get one out, I'll just grab any one that I can get out. Okay, here we go. And just nice flat head pin. And then on this one's just a little bit more fancy. Now we have just the regular silver ones, which has a little ball at the end. And then we have these that are just a little bit fancier. And I think we're going to use one of those. I'm just going to see how it looks first. If I can open it. And just set this aside. Like so. And you can go through like your pearls and see which one looks better on it. You know, sometimes if you switch them around a little bit, I mean, you could just see what you like better. And then we just have to snip it. It's about, let me see here, about a ½ inch. Snip it and bend it with your pliers. Like that. Take your round nose pliers and you can start all right. So with your pliers now, you will bend, don't pull it out, just bend it to the side a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. Let me keep trying here. Oh, there we go. You can see how it's a little bent to the side. Okay. So, just fold that in half and grab, oops, that very center piece. Let me just see if I can grab it. And then we're going to, this is the difficult part because it's so small, the chain. There we go. Look at that. Then just take your pliers and close this up. Now you might have to wiggle it back and forth to get it completely closed up because you don't want the chain to come off. Okay, there we go. And it's right against it. Okay, so that's one. So that is done. Next, you're going to need your 20 gauge wire, and you're just going to need a couple small pieces. So I'm just going to cut a good length. Let's just kind of straighten it out a bit. Okay, cut this side flush. So with my round nose pliers, I'm just going to make a loop about the same size as the one on the other bead, like so. And it almost looks like a head pin. See? And just put another bead on there, like so. Okay, and then we'll bend it back. Okay. Oops. Let me just fix this for a second. Okay, there we go. And then we'll trim off about, so we have like about maybe a ½ inch, maybe a little less. Oops, that shot off somewhere. Okay, so that's one. And then we need the other one. Okay, make that loop, and you can bend it back a little bit. Oops. Put the bead on. Okay, bend it over. I think I'll need a little trim on this one. It's about, let me see, a little less than a half of an inch. There you go. The second bead. So now we're going to attach one side. So we'll just open it to the side a little bit. And you'll take the end of this and carefully put the chain on. Now, because it's so small, it may take a little time to get that chain on. There we go. It's very simple. And just make sure that this is closed up. Tight. There. Okay, that's another one. And then we're going to take this one, open it to the side. Slip the chain on. Close it back up. Okay, we can measure this first. So this is, about 5.5 inches. You want it to be 16 inches. So you will need, since this is 5.5, and then you'll probably need like a 1/2 inch for the clasp and jump ring. So we will do 5 inches for each side. So just measure that out. Hold it and then clip it. And then I need, okay, I need another 5 inches. So hold it there. Clip it. Put this aside. And then now we're going to need to open this up to the side. And then put this on. Close it up tight. You have to make sure that that end meets with the wire. So you might have to move it back and forth until you get it to fit against it. We'll open up this side. Put on the chain. Close it up. Okay. Give you a close-up shot. Okay. All right, so now we'll add jump rings, clasp 2. Okay, so first we'll take the smaller one. Oop, where did it go? Oop. Get the chain on first, and you can put your lobster claw closure on it. And I'm going to use 2 pliers to close this. You can use your finger, you can use tweezers to help. And then on this side, we'll just put this on. Close it up. And here's your easy to make saltwater pearl necklace. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell for further notifications of my upcoming videos. Again, I'll be seeing you soon. You will see some artwork and things during the week, but on every Saturday I will be posting jewelry. So I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.